Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros food fusion using an easy method. We'll start by creating a simple, delicious churro dough from scratch. You'll need basic pantry staples like water, butter, sugar, salt, flour, and eggs. First, combine water, butter, sugar, and salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Then, quickly stir in the flour to form a smooth dough. Finally, incorporate the eggs one by one for a perfect consistency. This foundational dough is your canvas. Now that your dough is ready, let's talk about frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe the dough into the hot oil using a star-tipped nozzle for that classic churro shape. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Remember to drain any excess oil on a paper towel-lined plate right away for the best texture. With your perfectly fried churros, the fusion fun begins. For a classic sweet treat, roll them in cinnamon sugar while still warm. Elevate the experience by drizzling with melted chocolate, rich caramel, or creamy dulce de leche. You can also serve them alongside scoops of vanilla bean ice cream or a vibrant fruit compote. For an extra special touch, try filling them with pastry cream or fruit fillings using a churro filler. The possibilities are truly endless. Let's explore some unique and adventurous fusion pairings. Don't be afraid to experiment with savory churros by incorporating cheese or fresh herbs directly into the dough. Imagine dipping these in a spicy queso or a zesty avocado crema. For another delightful dessert, create churro ice cream sandwiches, a truly indulgent treat. You can also add flair by topping your churros with crushed nuts, colorful sprinkles, or even edible glitter. Get creative and enjoy your delicious churro fusion journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.